Hi guys, in this video I will update you about the status of the ultralight X-beam and this channel. More people than I ever anticipated have seen the first video about this X-beam. This is also the reason why I already got the chance to produce them in series. A big thanks goes out to everyone who offered me help to produce them. I would also like to thank everyone who had suggestions and interesting tips for me in the comments. I am based in Switzerland and was lucky that Ramil from mamabot.io reached out, offering me his help with the production. He is also based here in Switzerland and I got the chance to visit his machine shop. It was a 4.5-hour journey by train to get there. Amazed seeing a professional CNC up close for the first time, I felt like a kid in the candy store. I stayed at the hotel nearby for the weekend and we spent 2 days figuring out and making the setup to hold the X-beams. Ramil was prepared really good. All the necessary tools and stock material were already there when I got to the shop. Long story short, mamabot.io did produce the first batch of ultralight X-beams, so that everyone who wants can get their hands on one without waiting for years until I finished my new CNC machine. Ramil put in so much effort and time in this project. He is an amazing guy and I cannot thank him enough for his help. So if you need a custom part or small production series, contact him. Link in the description. I decided not to make profit on this Voron Zero X-beams. With the US-based reseller Fabrico, I found a good partner who keeps the price lower than usually possible for him. In return, he gets to be the exclusive US distributor for these ultralight X-beams. A win for you, the customer, who profits from a low price. A win for me, not having to deal with worldwide individual shipping. And a win for Fabrico, who gets new customers. So as I see this, it's a triple win. For the first batch I took the cost of packaging on me. It is about $1.50 for each beam. This is also one of the reasons why I left the ads on my videos activated. As of now it does not cover for the packaging entirely. YouTube activated ads on my first X-beam video without notifying me. Also, since I was not a YouTube partner at that point, they kept everything earned during that time. After reaching 200k views, I was able to apply for the YouTube partner program and got accepted. Since then I made around $40 on the ads. There is also another reason to leave the ads on the video. YouTube has little to no incentive to suggest a video to you, the viewer, if they can't make money from it. I am currently not sure what to do in the future. Leave the ads, annoy you the viewer with it, and gain a better chance to grow this channel. Or disable the ads, not annoying you the viewer, but decreasing my chance to grow this channel. To be clear, I'm very happy about my current subscriber count. I'd rather have a few hundred people who like and share my passion to make crazy things than 10k people who are not really interested in it. I think I will do a poll about this situation in the future, so you can decide how I continue running this channel. Many asked if there will be an ultralight X-beam for the Voron 2.4. As of now, we are working on it. Of course we will try to bring them to you for a good price too, but with the 2.4 version I need to calculate in my time and packaging too. It took way longer than expected to make the packaging for the ultralight Voron Zero X-beam. I think you will understand from my point of view as someone who works full-time and only does such projects during the weekends. I want to thank FailFast for helping me with testing and the finite element analysis on this project. He is an amazing guy and I will link his channel and socials in the description. Also a big thanks goes out to Lindstedt, who allowed me to use his music for different videos on this channel. He is a real artist and very creative producer. I follow his work now for 7 years and it's so interesting to see such a creative individual discovering different styles and not being afraid to share them with the world. The link to his Soundcloud and the track used here is also in the description. Thank you for watching. Until the next time. Bye.